There's a guide on how you can log out of Gmail on Android. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open Gmail. After that, there's the home page of Gmail. You have to click on the three bars on the top left section of your screen. After this, scroll down and click on the option that says Settings. After that, you will see all the emails here that you have on your device. You have to click on the three dots on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on Manage Accounts. And then click on Google, as you can see. After that, again, you will see all the accounts that you have on your device. You have to click on the account that you want to log out. For example, it's the last one for me, so I'm going to click on that. After that, you have to click on the three dots and then click on Remove Account, and that will remove your account from the device. There's no other way to log out of Gmail, okay? In order to log out of Gmail, you have to remove the entire email ID from the device, okay? So just click on Remove Account, and that's it.